How to make multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, let's go ahead and open any browser in our PC. So once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for youtube.com, and once you search for it, go ahead and sign in to your YouTube account. Now once you sign in to your account, you can go ahead and tap on your profile icon right over here. From here, select YouTube Studio. Now once you land in this kind of interface, go ahead and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, select Channel. Now simply tap on Advanced Settings. From here, scroll below and then simply tap on Manage YouTube Account. Now once you are inside this settings section, under your YouTube channel, you will like to go ahead and simply tap on Create a New Channel. Go ahead and give it a name. Also, you can go ahead and select the picture. Once done, tap on Create Channel. And just like that, you'll then be able to create multiple YouTube accounts with one Gmail account. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.